afternoon or good evening. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe whatever videos you want to watch, or especially I get a lot of videos or playlists and music videos on my channel. Please like and do subscribe. Today I'm going to share you something different. I don't know how to bake a cake, but today I'm going to have a small party and I don't have time to bake or to learn. So I'm gonna show you what should I gonna prepare today. So wait guys. So this is my cake, okay? See this? So this is the cake I'm going to make. Then I'm gonna put some fruits on top. Then I have like this, like to put some, I don't know, just something sauce, I don't know how to call it that. So I never really knew how to make this, but I don't know how to mix. Put some water. Water? I have no idea. I have no idea. Yay. Okay. Maybe. Okay, so maybe I need two of them. Just to put it here. This is, what did it say? It's written in German. So I need 250 ml water. So water. So I need to make it about, guys. Yes, everything goes here. So 250. I'm gonna put here. So I have a really big bowl to do this. Yeah. Okay. I think I will soak it. So guys, I am cooking the sauce for this. Now I have to unpack this one. Oh, okay. Wow. Everything got disaster. Like wearing this. Oh no. Oh, come on, be nice. So guys, it goes like this. See, I cook for 1 minute. So this is the sauce, yeah. So I have to bring it here. So I have to wait a little bit cold. Then I have to prepare this one. Yeah, so I just gonna put this cake in here. Make it nicer. I want to put this cover back so it won't ruin the cake. Oh my goodness. So guys, just like this. This is the very messy cake I did. Ano ba? Hindi ka nga marunong mag-bake. Binurog mo pa yung cake. Ano ba yun? Slowly, slowly. Huwag mong sirain. Huwag mong sirain. Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? Okay. Ano ba yan? Lalagay ko dyan. Right dito. Yan. So, let me put this cover back. Kasi dadalhin ko siya doon sa kabila. Ngayon, so this one also. So this. So careful. So okay guys, I will put in a proper way. Naku! Kakalat ka na naman. Okay. So, I won't make a mess. Lagay po natin dito. So, this is it. Ihiwain ko po siya para magandang tignan. So, ganyan. Do I need all? I guess. So, ito lang prutas ko eh. Okay guys. So, yan. So, ihahain ko po siya. Ilalagay ko rito. Para maglinis. Para hindi siya messy. Okay. Ngayon, so, i-form po natin siya rito. Magpop na siya. Yan. So, yan guys. May isa pa. Wishy, washy, washy, washy. It's like crazy cake. So, para makita ninyo, ayan. So, ngayon, lalagay ko na siya rito. Ganon lang. Oo, ganon lang. Nakalimutan ko kasi yung sauce. Yan. Ganon lang siya. Tandahan natin. Ako si ate. Yan. Ako guys, kulang. Lagay ko pa yung iba. So, I will put them all. Ayan. Kulangan eh. Make some cake. Fun cake. Amazing cake. Fun cake. Who cares? This is healthy, guys. Healthy. Then what should I gonna put in the middle? I have no idea. But I think I gonna put some banana, guys. Banana. So I have one banana. Banana nasisira na. So this is it. So, put the banana in the middle. So make it nicer. Make it nice, make it nice. Just covering this stuff. Just to cover up. Ganda mo naman, bibe. Parang di maganda. Oo. Pero maganda siya. Tignan. Ayan, mga ate kuya, pwede nang pagtiyagaan. So, guys, let me show you this. Nako. So this is catastrophe. Ba't ganun lasa? Ba't ganun na siya? Parang siyang pudding. Galang ha? Try. Try lang. I don't know. Why like this? Anyway. I think I just make it like that. That'll be a disaster. Yeah. It's just a decoration to make this red, guys. So looks nice. This should be a very funny cake. This should be a very... Are you crazy? Eh, bahala kayo. Hindi ako marunong mag-bake eh. So trying hard. I do this so I don't know. Just eat the fruits. But this is good. I can tell. The vanilla I bought. Okay. I think I got disaster. Alam nyo ba yung sanang vanilla para sa cake? Akala ko is vanilla para sa cake. Ang hindi nagbabasa, anong nangyari? Asukal pala. Ano ba yan? So guys, this is my cake. What can you see about it? You see? Here. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. How do you like my cake? It's good, huh?